Welcome to this tutorial on why use AWS Amplify sign-up flows. As a developer, you want to provide a seamless and secure user experience for your application. AWS Amplify provides a comprehensive set of tools and services to help you achieve this. Firstly, let us understand what AWS Amplify is. AWS Amplify is a development platform that helps you build secure, scalable, and engaging mobile and web applications. It provides a set of tools and services that enable you to focus on writing code rather than managing infrastructure. Now let us dive into the sign-up flows. Sign-up flows are an essential part of any application as they provide a way for users to create an account and access the application. AWS Amplify provides a pre-built sign-up flow that handles user registration and authentication. Using AWS Amplify sign-up flows provides several benefits. Firstly, it provides a secure and scalable solution for managing user identities. Secondly, it provides a seamless user experience with pre-built UI components and customizable workflows. Another key benefit of using AWS Amplify sign-up flows is that it integrates well with other AWS services. For example, you can use AWS Amplify to integrate with AWS Lambda and API Gateway to build serverless applications. In terms of best practices, it is recommended to use AWS Amplify sign-up flows in conjunction with other security measures such as multi-factor authentication and password policies. This provides an additional layer of security and helps to protect user identities. In conclusion, using AWS Amplify sign-up flows provides a secure, scalable, and seamless user experience for your application. It integrates well with other AWS services and provides a comprehensive set of tools and services to help you build engaging mobile and web applications. By following best practices and using AWS Amplify sign-up flows, you can provide a secure and scalable solution for managing user identities and build a successful application.